Welcome back to my channel. So I guess you know where we are at our favorite store, the Dollar Tree. And I see that they put out a few more things here for the Halloween season. They have some more masks here. They also have these accessory kits. The two-piece, it's a two-piece set. They have the ones with the little cats on them, the bunnies, and they also have the novelty glasses. These are really cute. They have the ghost ones, and they have the one that says Happy Halloween, which are very cute. And I see that they have these pumpkin ones here. Okay, I see that they put out these little boxes as well. These are LED light boxes, and they actually light up. There's a light on the inside. I don't know if you for sure if you see that light or not, but they have them in this orange one. They have the little trick or treat house. They have the little grave here, and they also have the little ghost that says Boo on it with green. Those are very cute. Alright guys, so I see that they put out more candles. They still have the fall leaves. I see that they have the warm maple syrup now. Let's see what this one is. This one is the warm maple syrup as well. But they have those there. And I see some ones back here. Oops. I see some ones back here with the glass. And this one is the rose collection. And let's see what the scent of it is. There's actually no scent, but it does have a fall smell to it. I also see that they put out these glasses here with the leaves on it. Those are very cute. They have the fall ribbon that they've put out as well in different ones. They have this one right here with the pumpkins. They have the white ones there. And they have this one here. And I also see this one here. Very nice. This is just going to be a mini walkthrough, guys. It's not going to be something really big because they still have the same things out, majority of the same things out. But I see that they have a different color mesh here. They have this pretty yellow color here, this mustard color. They also have this brown color here. And I also see that they have this the green color one as well. And at the bottom down here, I see that they have the plates. They have, these are glass plates. It says grateful on it. And they also have the ones with the pumpkins and the ones with the leaves. They have more candles here. This one right here that says fall leaves, which is green. They have this one right here in cinnamon spice. They have this one right here in warm maple syrup. And this one right here is in a spice pumpkin. The spice pumpkin is very nice. Warm maple syrup. And I see that they have potpourri up here. They have the cinnamon spice, spice pumpkin, warm maple syrup. More little wine glasses here. And I also see that they have the leaves in green. They have them in green and orange. Those are very pretty. Alright guys, look at these right here. These are the clip-on maple leaves. Aren't those pretty? But they come in this color here. And they also have the ones in gold. But they have a clip-on on the back of it. Those are very nice. Great for a DIY project. More flowers here. I've never seen these here before. I love their flowers. And I also see that they put out this stick here, these ones right here. And I see these pretty ones here. Those are really pretty. And let's see here. These are all the ones here at the bottom. Cranberries. Look at those pretty yellow ones there. Great DIY project, guys. And they also have this pretty girl right here, which is very pretty. She stands out by herself, but she's really pretty. And they have these ones right here. Alright guys, so if you look up to your up to the top of it, they have those big baskets up there at the top. They come in burgundy and orange. Those are very nice. And I see that they also put out a different type of candle, a different type of pumpkin here, which is very pretty. I'm going to lay this right here. And I also see that they have these little faux plants here, which are very pretty as well. And I see that they have some salt and pepper shaker pumpkins here. We've seen the ones with the little bears, and we've seen the ones with the owls. Very cute colors here. And they also have some pretty napkins here. These are the solid color napkins in orange and the mustard color. I also see them in green, and they also have the ones back there in burgundy. And they have some longer ones too that says thankful. These are the guest napkins 14 count. And let's see what these are. These are 36 count right here. Those are very nice. Fine, I'm not really sure, but they have the power sticks. This is a body spray for her. It's like a soft floral scent. And this one right here is a cool blast. I think these are new here, guys. I've never seen these before, but these are the only ones that I see. They have this one here and this one here. So, alright guys, on one of these little corner aisles, I see they have the beaded bracelets, breast cancer awareness bracelets, which are very cute. You know I'm into bracelets and things like that, but they did a good job on the beaded pattern of these bracelets. And basically, it's just for awareness, breast cancer awareness. But those are very nice. Alright guys, so look at these right here. This is a good deal. They have the Emergency, the 2-pack. These are the super orange, the 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. You get these in like a big pack at Walmart. They're very expensive, but they have these in a 2-pack. I think I'm gonna pick up a couple of boxes, a couple of packs of these right here. These are good to have to give you a burst of energy in the morning. So I think I'm gonna pick up a few packs of these here. Me if I couldn't stop down the candy aisle to see what new things that I could find. So I'm going to pick up this double bubble gum, and I love Werther's. They still pretty much have the same double bubble birthday cake, bubble candies, bubble gumball, watermelon, and strawberry. They pretty much have the same thing, guys. Nothing new. They have a lot of stuff here. I see that they have a new find here. This is the Simply Granola Oats and Honey Raisin and Almond, which is a good on-the-go snack. Very interesting. And I see that they have the Strawberry Fruit Crisp, which is a good snack to have as well. Very nice. Alright guys, and I see that they have these nice colorful tablecloths here. They have this one in green. This one comes in like a leaves color, orange, and they have of course the black and the gray. And I also see this pattern here, that pattern, and they have the ones up there at the top up there. But I love these fall color ones here. And I see that they have some new towels out. They have some new flour sack towels out. This one says, "Is it wine o'clock?" This one says, "I love you to the fridge and back. Some like it hot, and B make the honey." They also have this one right here that says, "Oh snap." And they also have some kitchen towels, fall towels, and they have these fall placemats here. They have this one here. They have this one right here with the pumpkins. They have that one there. But those are very pretty colors. Alright, so I found a new find here. They have the new maple Cheerios. This is a family size box, guys, and they are actually $1. I did see some ones that were peach last week, but these are the maple ones. I wish those are pretty good, but I love Cheerios. Alright guys, so I see these right here. These says Happy Harvest. This comes in orange. They have one that says the leaves are falling, so autumn is calling. And I see one back there in the back. I think it's a black one, but it says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And they also have these pretty orange wine glasses here. They're plastic, but they will be good for like a party or something like that, maybe for a Halloween party. Very nice. Alright guys, look at these plates here, I mean these bowls here. Nice little bowls for fall. And I see that they have the cups here, and they have these right here that says Harvest, Fall Harvest. They have these right here, it says Happy Pumpkin Spice Latte. But those are very cute. They have the cappuccino ones up here. They have this one right here. Everything is up so high. They have the pumpkin spice and everything nice, which are very cute. And that's pretty much it. But they have the bowls. And I see that they have the plastic plates here with the pumpkins on them. Alright guys, so look at these right here. These are new here. Look at these. These are little glass containers with the little leaves on them. This one right here has a leaf on it. This one here, they have the burgundy and they have the yellow ones. Those are very cute. And I see that they have the Halloween boxes here. They have these small, medium, and large ones here. Those are very cute. And I see that they have the sippy cups here with gather. They have different ones. They have the ones with the leaves. They have the orange bowls here. I also see these little candle containers here, but they come in this color here. And they have this one right here. And look at these beautiful candles. They have the spice pumpkin candle, warm maple syrup. They have the cinnamon and spice. And they have the fall leaves there as well. Those are very pretty and bright. More of the cups, guys. More of the candles. They have the coffee cups here. They have these kitchen towels that says gather on them. They have these right here that says pumpkin pie, and they give you the ingredients, how to make a pumpkin pie. And they have these candles here that are like in a fall smell. They have the grateful. They have the orange plates here. They have the smaller orange plates here. And they have these pretty dish drying mats here, which are very nice. And I also see these placemats here. I only see them in green, but I'm pretty sure they have the orange ones and the burgundy ones lying around somewhere. Those are very nice. And last but not least, they have the kitchen towels for the Halloween. They have these right here that says Black Cats and Witches hats. They have these right here. And they have these right here says more booze please. But look at the ghost face. Isn't it cute? Those are very nice. I also see that they have the little light up necklaces. These would be good for kids, like when they're going trick-or-treating, they can have something around the neck to light up. So the cars will notice them, but they have them in the pumpkin and they have them in the ghost. Those are very nice. Alright guys, so I am out of the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to stop by and give you just a mini tour of the new things that they had to offer. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. Look at the nice clips, the butterfly clips here. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, hello sis, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, thanks again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon, guys. Bye.